Dylan here from AV King. We've got this JBL system with the subwoofer, 2 back speakers and 2 front speakers set up here in Brisbane, and we can play anything from any of our mobile devices through the speaker system. We've got this set up with the amp in the rack. Excuse Sean, just doing this install up on the ladder. This is the kitchen room with another 2 speakers and a subwoofer. We've got some WiiM devices. That's what the JBL speakers look like, and that's what the WiiM amp looks like, but looks like, but you don't need to use that app. You can just use any of the media players you've already got on any of your devices and just select the room speaker, and all your volume controls work from the devices you'd expect. We've replaced an older system here, and that's some of the Yamaha equipment that's been installed. This is the rack, and everything is just being upgraded from a very old system that was put in when this house was built about 10 years ago. AV King, if you need any upgrades like this for your home or business. And we do support a number of different options as far as obviously the Apple devices, as well as wall pads and what have you as needed. AV King for an inquiry. Thank you.